Right now on Jamaica News Page tonight.
So we are here in Trelawny with the mother and the 13-year-old Cedric Piper student who was shot by the police in Rehoboam, Trelawny 3 weeks ago. The child is here. He has been released from the hospital. He has not been charged for any crime, and the mother is also here. He can't go to school because he's suffering from gunshot wounds done by police officers in the parish of Trelawny.
The Trelawny family is demanding justice after their 13-year-old relative was reportedly shot and injured by a policeman. The family says the incident was unprovoked, but the officer says otherwise. We have both sides of the story ahead. Also tonight, deadly confrontations with security forces across the island. From Mapen, Clarendon. To Augusttown, St. Andrew.
Just like that. I can't kill a madman just like that, brother. You shoot him in the chest and then shoot him back where? That is foolishness. That is stupidness.
And St. Catherine.
Oh,
We're tracking the latest. Plus, there's good news tonight. A heartwarming viral moment as a young boy in the US melts hearts repping Jamaica after one unforgettable trip to the island. Welcome or welcome back to Jamaica News Page tonight. News that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica, and we're powered by viewers just like you. Please click subscribe and tap the notification bell to stay connected. Thank you for joining us. Nicole Levy. Jamaica News Page tonight starts right now. We begin tonight in Trelawny, where a family is demanding justice after their 13-year-old relative was shot and injured reportedly by a policeman. The 8th grade student is now speaking out alongside his mother as well as his attorney Donovan Collins.
He has not been charged for any crime, and the mother is also here. He can't go to school because he's suffering from gunshot wounds done by police officers in the parish of Trelawny. Now, this is the youngster, right? Youngster, why were you shot by the police? When you say nothing, what you mean? The police shoot you just like that?
Yeah.
Where did the police shoot you?
Yeah.
There?
Yeah.
That's in your belly?
Yeah.
And this long mark is what? Surgery? They cut you at the hospital?
Yeah.
What is this on your hand?
Gunshot.
Oh, you get gunshot in your hand too?
Yeah.
So, did the police tell you why they shoot you?
No.
Mother, the police tell you why they shoot your son?
no.
Up to today's date, did the police talk to you and tell you why they shoot him?
No.
In the coming investigating?
Yes, they
Have you spoken with the superintendent of police as yet?
do. No.
Have you spoken with the commissioner of police as yet?
No.
Have you spoken with any member of parliament, any minister?
No.
Nobody at all?
No one come.
So, this 13-year-old schoolboy was shot by the police in Trelawny.
Yes.
And up to today's date,
No one.
nobody
come.
at all?
No.
Are you serious about that?
Yes, I do.
Well, guess what? This is what is happening in Jamaica.
Jamaica News Page understands that the teen was on the rooftop of a bar adjoining his home in Rio Bueno on Sunday, April 12, when a uniformed officer inside the establishment allegedly fired a single shot, striking him. It is not yet clear why the officer was at the bar at the time of the incident. A family member says the officer later claimed he saw a firearm but strongly disputes that account. She says in part, "I would suggest that's the report he's going to give to get away from it because him realized that him fire off the firearm. So him want to use that as disguise." End quote. The Independent Commission of Investigations Indicom has since launched a probe into the incident, and we will continue to follow this story and bring you updates as more information becomes available. Turning now to new developments, over the past 24 hours, a total of 6 people have been killed in alleged confrontations with security forces between Sunday and Monday. In the latest incidents, a man was shot and killed during an alleged confrontation in Mapen, Clarendon on Monday evening. Preliminary reports indicate the man reportedly attacked an officer with a machete, and another officer then opened fire. He was shot and taken to hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The identity of the man has not yet been released. Investigations are ongoing. In a separate incident in Augusttown, St. Andrew, a man was fatally shot after he allegedly attempted to attack soldiers at a zone of special operations checkpoint on Monday morning.
So them should have killed my cousin so. Come on, a gunman. If it's not a gunman, and a 3 gunshot them give him. 3 gunshot. Then give my cousin. We need justice. We need justice for it. Him sick. He's a sick man. No the man. Them see him every day. And I outside soldier. Soldier were there every day with them. And he gonna kill my cousin.
Police say that about 4:40, the man armed with a knife breached a military tent and attempted to assault the soldiers and disarm one of them. He was shot and taken to hospital, where he was pronounced dead. No soldiers were injured.
Anybody talk to you this morning?
I went out there and they just told me that take my name and his name and say I should go up by UC, the police them up by UC. So the doctor told me say I have a hole in the heart, in the chest and 2 holes in the back.
Them shoot him back where? That them do.
Son is mentally ill, so I'm just lost for words right now.
Investigations are ongoing. Meanwhile, the Independent Commission of Investigations Indicom is also probing multiple fatal shootings in St. Catherine over the past 24 hours. Just after midnight on Sunday, a man identified as O'Keefe Summers was fatally shot during a reported confrontation with police along Job Lane in Spanish Town. Officers say a .357 Smith & Wesson Magnum revolver with 5 cartridges was seized. Investigations are ongoing. About 30 minutes later, an unidentified man was also shot and killed during a separate alleged confrontation with police. A Browning pistol with 4 cartridges was reportedly recovered. Investigations are ongoing. Then on Monday morning, 2 men were killed during a planned police operation in the community of 5 West in Greater Portmore.
Can't in that, bro.
Oh God, old man for God. Oh God.
What? The boy will come to me?
One of them is black boy.
He died at Calvary. What does you want him to do?
And you coming so well.
Up to news time, it remains unclear what the operation was about and whether the men engaged the police in a confrontation. However, police say a firearm was seized. Investigations are ongoing. These incidents come amid a growing national debate over police accountability. Opposition leader Mark Golding is strongly backing the use of body-worn cameras during security force operations.
There is no principled objection
to the policy of body-worn cameras being worn, especially on specialized operations when the bulk of those killings take place. And those of us who are in constituencies as the elected representatives of the people where these incidents are happening, feel it for the families and the friends and the communities who are impacted when perceived injustice arises, and it is happening too often, and the Minister of National Security should not pretend that there is no need for body-worn cameras or it's not viable.
His comments follow statements from National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang, who argued that such devices may not be practical during high-risk operations.
This thing that you must wear a camera when you're going to look for a man who has an M16 that fires 60 rounds per second. It's a crazy idea, right? Policeman, I was a cadet, but that was even my stuff. When your guns start going across your head or over your head, you're gonna dive. You're gonna find cover, even if you're a policeman, and look for a place where you can find a space to, in fact, return fire. All the research, no research have shown cameras, no research, and you can quote me, that cameras are a valuable piece of tool in special operations of that sort. So SWAT teams in the United States where cameras was brought to use, but it's never part of the routine equipment.
Mr. Golding insists body cameras are essential to ensure transparency and build public trust, especially in communities affected by controversial incidents. Meanwhile, new data from the Jamaica Constabulary Force is showing some progress in crime reduction. The JCF reports a 23% decline in murders since the start of the year, with 174 homicides recorded up to April 27, down from 227 over the same period last year. Shootings, robberies, and break-ins are also down, with several divisions, including St. Andrew North and St. Mary, reporting significant improvements. Only one murder has been recorded in St. Andrew North since the start of the year, compared to 12 during the same period last year. Police say collaboration between communities and law enforcement is playing a key role in the decline.
They would say, go tell.
What soccer team are you going to be on?
Oh, the Jamaica team!
Such a touching moment here between a mother and her young son, and that's melting hearts online, especially among Jamaicans. Brenda Estrada, a mother of two based in Delaware in the United States, went viral after sharing this video of her 4-year-old son Matteo proudly putting on a Jamaica football jersey, despite having no Jamaican roots. The clip has racked up more than 500,000 likes and continues to gain traction, showing the young boy confidently repping the Reggae Boys. His mother even joked, quote, "Didn't have the heart to break his little heart by telling him he's not Jamaican," end quote. Matteo's mother says the family visited the island in April 2025, a trip that clearly left a lasting impression. She says, quote, "We visited Jamaica back in April 2025, and that's where we picked up the shirt, and he loved Jamaica," end quote. She adds that he especially enjoyed the jerk chicken and has been asking to wear the jersey ever since. The now viral moment, she explains, was completely unplanned, captured while recording a video to send to his father. She also says Matteo's love for football played a role, noting that the family regularly watches matches and supports their local MLS team, the Philadelphia Union, whose captain is Reggae Boys goalkeeper Andre Blake. The response online has been overwhelmingly positive, with Jamaicans around the world embracing the young fan. His mother says the support has meant a lot, and with many encouraging a return visit, another trip to Jamaica may soon be on the horizon. And that's the news on Jamaica News Page tonight, news that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica. And we're powered by viewers just like you. We've got special rewards just for you. When you become a Jamaica News Page member, you'll unlock these special rewards you'll love, including a loyalty badge next to your name in the comments, shoutouts for your birthday, anniversaries, other special moments, and just so much more. Joining is easy. Just click subscribe, then click join, and choose to become a FUI Star or FUI Elite member right now. That's it, simple and quick. Your link to join has been posted in the comments. Please leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shout out. Thank you for joining us, Nicole Levy, and also thank you for watching Jamaica News Page tonight. We'll see you in the comments, and be sure to like, share, and join us again for more news. From all of us here, good night.